Sanibonani, dumelanga, avsheni. Yeah. 3. It's 3 bafethu. Easy game. It's like putting a baby into sleep bafethu. Nginitshelile bakhuluma kakhulu, but hey, nizodliwa. By the way, we won bafethu. Unlike abanye abantu, which I will talk about in the next video, but Orlando Pirates 3. I don't know what the name of the club is, bafethu, but I do not care. We are one step closer to the group stages. CAF Champions League. Easy win. We move on to Tuesday now. Siwelele FC away game. The most important one. But Ngitheni and Ngisasho. Orlando Pirates are back. Back like we never left. I'm out, bafethu. I'm out.